SQL Server Basics for Beginners. What if I told you the world's most valuable companies, like Amazon, Facebook, and Google, are powered by something you use every day, but might not fully understand? I'm talking about databases, more specifically, SQL Server. But here's the kicker. Without it, modern technology would be a chaotic mess. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to reveal the basics of SQL Server that you need to know if you want to thrive in the world of technology. And trust me, if you don't learn these, you might be left behind, watching others take the lead. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you. So grab a pen because we're diving in right now. Let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is SQL Server? It's the engine behind databases, responsible for storing, organizing, and retrieving your data. Think of it as the brain of a large organization, processing and managing massive amounts of information. Without SQL Server, that data would be scattered, disorganized, and nearly impossible to use. Imagine trying to run a business with all your documents tossed into random folders. Chaos, right? SQL Server brings order to that chaos. SQL Server is not just a database, it's a powerhouse, storing data, running queries, and making sure the right information is at your fingertips instantly. And just like you wouldn't drive a car without an engine, you wouldn't try to work with data without SQL Server. Well, unless you like things a little chaotic. Now, let's break down some key concepts. First up, databases and tables. In SQL Server, everything revolves around a database. Think of it like a giant filing cabinet, and inside that cabinet are tables. These tables are where all your data lives, organized in rows and columns. Inside a table, you'll find columns, like name, age, or address, and each row represents a single record, like a person's details. This structure allows for quick searches, easy updates, and ensures that the data is always in the right place when you need it. Without it? Well, you'd be playing a dangerous game of where's Waldo with your data? And trust me, you don't want to play that game when lives or businesses are at stake. Now that we have the basic structure, let's talk about queries. A query is simply a request for information from the database. Think of it like ordering food at a restaurant. You tell the waiter exactly what you want, and boom, you get your dish. In SQL Server, we use a language called asterisk SQL dash, structured query language. A simple query might look like this. This query is asking SQL Server to pull all customers who are older than 25. Simple, right? But here's the kicker. Learning to write efficient queries